This video is part 2 of a 5-part series. Make sure to watch all of the videos in the series in the order shown. Wear proper personal protective equipment when cleaning in this area. Open these covers. Using a polyester or nylon cloth dampened with ink cleaning liquid, clean the cleaning caps and cleaning cap installation plates. Make sure to use a new cloth for each cleaning cap area. When you're done, select cleaning caps. Using a cleaning stick dampened with ink cleaning liquid, clean the sides and top of each wiper. Make sure to use a new cleaning stick for each wiper. When you're done, select wipers. Make sure there are no tools or jigs inside the press. Then close the covers. Then select switch mode. Make sure to watch the other videos in the series.